Okay, so I don't have my camera with me because it's completely out of battery, so I'm shooting on my phone, but it's a bit amateurish. But basically, I've got my pre-op today. I'm so excited. I don't know what to expect because I completely forgot to read the sheet. It's funny, isn't it, how you literally get to your appointment and it's just like, oh my god, I haven't even done any research as to what I'm meant to be expecting. I think someone said something about like blood tests or swabs or something, but I really can't remember. I've been so busy with my new job. So yeah, I am going to be walking up there in a second. My appointment's at 10 o'clock, so it's now 1:45, so I'll always give myself a few minutes to... I don't know if you can see, the building's like there, so it's like quite far away to walk. But yeah, I'm so excited. I actually asked them if they could get the ergonomic implant so that I could feel it, but they can't get it for today, so I'm going to feel it and see what's actually going to go into my body on the day of my surgery. So yeah, it's so exciting. I'm going to ask lots of questions and I will let you know how I get on. Oh, it's so cold out here today. Literally, ever since I've lost like a little bit of weight, I've noticed that I've been feeling the cold a lot more. I guess because like fat keeps you warm and stuff, so I don't know if that's actually a thing. Oh my goodness, literally just lost my car for a minute there. I couldn't find it. Right, so I've had my pre-op with the nurse, and actually it's really nice because she's going to be the one that's looking after me on the day, which is really nice because, you know, when I go to somewhere like this, it's like you don't know anyone, and then it's like, okay, so I know my surgeon, but now I've met like the nurse at least as well. That'd be nice because then there's like some friendly faces. So basically on this visit they took my blood pressure, which was fine. Then I had to swab my crotchal area and my nose because of MRSA, where I'm in healthcare. I could potentially be a carrier, or I could even have it. Last time they did that in November when I had my last surgery, I was completely negative, which was good. That's a good thing. So she said that even if you do have it, it doesn't matter. It's just that we'll need some stronger antibiotics for you. So I'm going to get flucloxacillin antibiotics to take with me. I have to take those for 1 week to like prevent any infection after my surgery. I'm going to have anti-sickness straight into my IV, and I'm going to go home with ibuprofen and cocodamol. I've also got cyclizine as well for the anti-sickness and stuff like that for when I get home. One thing though I did say to her was, like, a lot of the operations they try and get you in as early as possible in the morning, like 7 o'clock. But I said because we're travelling so far, like on the day, and we still need to drop the kids off at Matt's mum's like beforehand, I asked them if it's okay if I had my check-in at a later time. So yeah, she said that that's fine. So she's going to try and get me in about sort of like 10 or 11 in the morning, which is good because then we've got time to like drop the kids off and stuff like that. So, and not rush all the way to London, because it takes quite a while. And although it says about like an hour-and-a-half journey, when the traffic hits in the morning, it's so busy. You just literally see signs for London and it is like standstill. It's so good. I literally just had to stop off for a McDonald's because I haven't had McDonald's breakfast in ages, and it's so good. Like when you feel like you need something really substantial, it's really good. Look at all the grease though, look at how bad that is for you. This is my little update for my pre-op. Please let me know in the comments down below if you guys have ever had this done and what your experience was, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye ladies!